This is a breaking news alert. The wait is over. Seedance 2.0, Grok 4, and VO3 are now available, and access is completely free for everyone.
Yes, what you just saw is 100% real. If you've been looking for a way to access Grok 4, Seedance 2.0, and VO 3.1 without jumping from one platform to another, then you've just reached the right bus stop. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access all three powerful AI tools from a single platform, saving you time, money, and the hassle of switching between different websites. Before we get started, I need you to do one thing. Watch this video all the way to the end. If you skip even a small section, you could miss an important step that helps you avoid issues like usage limits, timeouts, and other frustrating problems. So stay with me until the end, and I'll show you everything you need to know. So now, to use this website, we first have to switch from a normal browser to incognito mode. That's for easier access and fewer ads. Then we go in and type VO free into the search bar to access the website. Now, you can see as soon as we enter the website, it doesn't require any sign up or login to use because it's an open source website that gives you access to these tools. Now click on all video generators and you'll see all the tools it gives us access to. But first we'll be testing out Grok 4. So now to first run Grok, we have to click on the settings button to adjust a few things like switching the aspect ratio to landscape while leaving the model set to Grok. Then we just have to type or paste in your prompt and click on generate. When we scroll down, we can see it loading from 1% to 100%. That's how we'll know the video is ready. To ensure a proper, consistent workflow, we'll be using the same prompt throughout the video. An elite warrior races through an ancient jungle temple while being chased by giant stone guardians. Cinematic camera angles, intense action sequences, slow-motion moments, dust particles, realistic lighting, and epic movie-quality visuals. So, now we can see the video is done generating. Let's take a look at it. So, that was the output from Grok, which I have to say is actually pretty decent. Now let's try out the Seedance model, then we'll compare all the outputs later on. So, now running the Seedance model and VO is basically the same process as the first one. Just adjust the aspect ratio to landscape, 16:9. Then select either the Seedance model or the VO model. After that, just paste in your prompt. Remember, we're using the same prompt for all the tools to keep the comparison fair. Then click on generate and you'll see it loading up. Just wait for the output. So now, those are the generations. I'm not going to decide which tool performed the best. I'll leave that up to you guys in the comments. I'm going to play all three videos again side by side, and then you can decide which one performed the best. If you want to keep seeing more free AI tools and hacks for bypassing restrictions, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.